Okay, good evening din sa mga basketball fans. Time na po na set up sa ating basketball night. Saturday basketball action now. Okay, last game, last day po tayo before our quarterfinals. Laglagang portion po ng Aviation Friendly Dabas the Flying League. Asap lang dito na po ang Team Hub. Nagaan na po sila, nag-warm up na po. We're just waiting for the component. Yan po ang QR projects na paparating pa lang doon po sila after duty po nila. Okay, I think so, but usapan daw yata, sinimula na po ang 15-minute defaulting time na naman. Again. Okay. Okay. Your projects, where na you? Dito na me. Okay, before that, ano muna po tayo? Okay, this is your Aviation Friendly League, Dabas the Flying League. First of all, we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Of course, nandiyan po ang Trade the Needles and Team LBC Hari ng Padala. Nandiyan din po naman po ang SPB Araw Ako Representation at PSBQ Basketball League. Before we go, we have to thank community billboard po dito. Ang bagong Philippines Vloggers po is meron po fundraising project called Bangon Cebu. Yan po yung mga nasa lanta po ng, sa may Visayas po dyan. For inquiries po, just visit the Bagtit channel. Nandiyan po yung nakapost po dyan yung kanyang link po for details. Mabuhay po ang bagong Pilipinas Vloggers. Now, first game for tonight, for the placing, Hub versus QR Projects. Okay. Narinig ko po dito, the winner of this will avoid to face the number 2. Yan po ang Airport United. Yun ang narinig ko po sa stipulation po dito. And afterwards po ito, for placing na po, yan po ang QDF versus, ayan po ang Oryx basketball team. Okay. Naasap na, nagsimula na po ang defaulting time. We have 13 more minutes. Okay, dumating na rin. Okay. Si Mayorga, dumating si Mayorga. Dalawa pa para lumakad ang jeep. Okay, 13 minutes left sa ating defaulting time. Pero parating na po tayo mga kasama nila. Dahil naka-duty pa kasi galing sa kanilang departamento sa airport. Okay, Sir Albert Marci is watching. Si Jonas Manapat is watching also. Calling Hub and Oryx. Just prepare, ha? You'll start on time, just in case. I repeat, Hub and Oryx. Sorry, QDF and Oryx rather. QDF, Oryx, posible magsimula pa kayo on time po ang laro ninyo. Okay, I repeat, there's a possibility now for you to start early. Dahil sasop na, wala pa po yung kalabang po ng Hub. There are 12 minutes, 27 seconds already before they're gonna be declared as forfeit. Okay? Kaya antay-talan po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Asap na, ito na po si Nichols at mga tropa niya. I was told that ang ano po dito is the winner of this game will avoid to face number 2 sa quarterfinals. Yung po yun. Yan ang ano po dyan. For sure, the loser will face yung Airport United po as number 2. Okay? Posible ano daw nila, could be in-fights daw mga kalaban daw nila sa quarterfinals. Yun ang narinig ko. Pero we'll see yet. After this day po, maglalabas na po ng pagpupost po tayo. For sure, ang mga ating committee po ng shall we say, yung final tally po. At same time, sino po yung mag-qualify po officially po sa ating laglagang portion ng Aviation Friendly dubbed as the Flying League. This is our last these are our last po natin po ito. Last elimination day na po tayo yun. We're just waiting now to start the game. Last final 2 pairs only. Then tapos ito na laglagang portion na po ng Aviation Friendly dubbed as the Flying League. Okay. Magkakasama, kasama silang Okay, Al-Ain is watching, si Boy India is watching also. Si Sir Yusef is watching, si Manyap is watching, or si Sir Albert is watching. Just wait now. Meron pang dalawa, at least dalawa pa. 10 minutes na lang. Okay, shoutout to po kay Mr. Ano to? Ano mo to? Kaya lang ha. May nagpapa-shoutout daw. Okay, shoutout. Sabi ni Sir Timothy Eusebio, shoutout to po kay Mr. Arnel Lipit. Lipit ng Oryx Team. Okay, yan ha. Pa-shoutout po kay Arnel Lipit, ng Oryx Team. Kay Arnel, okay. Sige po, thank you very much po. Okay, yan nga. Si Aniel Francis Lipit is watching ka. Binibati po kayo ni Mr. Eusebio ng Oryx Team din. 9 minutes 49 remaining. Please take note po, if the team got defaulted, for sure Oryx and QDF will start on time. Kaya magandaan-daan na po kayo. Okay, isa na lang. Okay, congrats. One more, isa pa. Okay. Isa pa. Apat pa lang sila. Isa pa daw, may parating pa daw. Gana kasi duty daw sila eh. Okay. Ito, magandang laban to. Running ganito eh. Both teams running gun players to eh. So yan, tayo po tayo dyan mga boss, mga madama. 8 minutes 51 remaining before the time expires. Sige po. Boss. Nichols, balita. Nasaan o? Nasaan sentro nyo?
Wala, ito na. Ay, dalawa naman. Si Corona kasi.
Si Felipe. Di ba nakalasan niya?
Oo, kasi lalo mo eh.
Pero busy.
Schedule siguro. Nandiyan rin natin yung asawa. Last time makita ko.
Daddy duties din, ha? Daddy duty. Sige, boss. Good luck sa ano. Idol, good luck, ha? Good luck. Okay. We're just waiting, okay. 8 minutes 5 remaining. congratulations. And winner, okay, by forfeit for sure, team. Okay, tingnan po ha. Okay, calling now, Melvin and Company, of course, si Adrian Company, mapapaaga po ang inyong laban. Pumunta na po kayo dito. Default po ang QR projects. And winner now is already the hub. Okay, muli po. Dimak, ayos na. Sige. Okay, confirm na po. It's already now okay now. Okay. Okay, congratulations, and of course, still placing na po ito. Hub na advancing further. They avoiding now for sure yung number 2 po. And winner now by 20 points, of course, that's Team Hub already. Maraming salamat po. And Melvin and Company, pumunta na po kayo dito. And of course, Adrian and Company also, pumunta na po kayo dito, ha. Magsisimula na po, mapaapaga po kasi po, maging on time po ang yung laro po. Maraming salamat po, and thank you very much. Thank you.